Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and listen to ideas instead of reading them in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books and articles that are recommended to us. We can go and take a look at the posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to listen to ideas. So basically, as you can see right here in the bottom right corner, the create option, you can go ahead and get the option to go and create a podcast. This is exactly what you're going to be listening to. If you go into the explore option right here in the left corner, you can click on explore and find new books that you want to get into, but alongside books you also have the podcasts option. So by clicking podcast, this is now going to open up this new menu from where you can go and take a look at all the podcasts by other curators that you can go and use to go ahead and listen to. So you have your top curators right here that you can go and follow using the follow button in the upper right corner. You also have your journeys right here you can open up, and it's going to enable you to listen to them. As you can see, once you click on a journey, you are going to have the listen option, and by clicking listen you can get started listening to those ideas instead of reading articles and books, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.